Hello everyone, I am Vandana Shukla, Master Trainer of IELTS, PT and Duolingo English Test at VMAS Career Consultants Private Limited. Okay, today's video is actually for all the students, those who are preparing for Duolingo English Test. And the main specific topic that I want to cover today is Duolingo Practice Test. What is Duolingo Practice Test? And how, as a student who is preparing for Duolingo Test, should relate with practice test. I have a lot of students, those who are studying currently with me, and the background of those students is that they have done the practice test, they have got the score on the practice test, they gain the confidence that yes, they will get a very good score. They gave the real test, and then what happened? They did not got the score. They did not got their desired score because they were relying on Duolingo practice test scores. I want to tell you everyone that there is a huge difference between practice test and real test. I have listed down just 5 differences, and these 5 differences count a lot. The first major difference between practice test and real test. Okay. The duration of your practice test is just 15 minutes, whereas the duration of your real test is 45 minutes, which is a major difference. So please do not relate that if you are performing good in just 15 minutes, you can do the same in a duration of 45 minutes. And it also goes to 1 hour because there is the administration time that goes on with the setting of the test. So it usually takes 1 hour, which is stressful. Now my second point is that the questions, yes, the questions that you practice in the Duolingo practice test. Let me tell you, and please carefully listen to me, that the questions that you get in Duolingo practice test are not all the questions. There are 2 main questions which comes in the real test and you do not know about that. Yes. So practice test is not giving you all the questions. There are 2 questions which are not shown in the practice test. But yes, it pops up. It immediately the windows come of a particular question that you are not aware of. And then I have the feedback from the students that they were clueless what they have to do in that particular question because they were relying on the practice test. So please be aware that there are 2 questions that will come in your real test and you do not know what are those 2 questions. Third difference. The third difference is that practice test is only telling you the format. What do you mean by format? It is only tell you that how the question will look like and what is the duration of a particular type of a question. That's it. They are only telling you how the question looks like and the duration. For example, if you take a missing letter in the practice test, missing letter counts your 3 minutes, and in the practice test you will find that missing letter is just 2-3 lines or 4 lines, but missing letter in the real test is really long passage, and that's the reason they are giving you 3 minutes so that you can justify these 3 minutes in the real test. Whereas if you see that in the practice test you finish that task in just 30 seconds or 1 minute, so the questions are really long in the real test, which student is not aware about. The fourth is, yes, the fourth, when you're doing practice test and you just do the practice test in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, next day again you're doing that, you will actually realize that the questions in the practice test are repeated. Yes, they are repeated. So where is your practice happening? No, there is no practice because you are doing something that you might have done yesterday. So there is no practice happening. It is just, I would say, it's just like trying yourself hard on something that you have already done. So there is no practice happening. Now, fifth, and which I think is the most important part. The fifth is when you're doing practice test, 15 minutes you have given on the test. What happens after your practice test? You get a score. First thing, that score comes in a range, something like 85 to 110 or 95 to 120. So students get this kind of a score. You do not know what the score means. What is the meaning of this score? And some of the students think that if they have got like 85 to 120, they think, oh wow, my score is 120, I will be getting the same score in the real test. No, that's not the case. So you really need to analyze what your score is. But how you will analyze? The practice test only gives you the score, it's not giving you the evaluation. You will never ever come to know what you did right and what you did wrong. So what are you preparing on? My suggestion to all of you is to not to waste time on giving practice tests daily or morning, afternoon, evening. Practice test is only to check where you stand currently. It is not for your preparation. Yes, it is not for your preparation. It is only for you to understand what is the format, what are the different types of questions, and how the test will go through. That's it. So all of you, please do not deviate yourself. Do not confuse yourself that when you're doing practice test, that's enough. It is not enough. You really need to do something extra to prepare yourself for the real test. That's all from my side to clarify you on the practice test and the real test. Yes, if you are looking to prepare for yourself, if you're looking for some study material, that is obviously at a very higher level from the practice test. And yes, the study material has been prepared so that you prepare accordingly, so that your level also upgrades as per the real test. If you are looking for these study material online classes, one-to-one assessments from our side, you can contact on the numbers which are mentioned in the description box. Thank you so much.